So last sprint demo, we have already seen how we can restore editors by using open session and save session commands under manage editors. So this sprint, we have introduced a news uh, preference, so which can be located under modeling and modeling page. At the end, you have automatically restore modeling editors on startup. So if you enable this preference, so then by default this will be off. So if you enable this, so then all the modeling editors which are currently open, so that will be restored after the like if you close the tool or if you restart the uh, RSAT or RSAT. So for example, now you can see that a class diagram is open and a state machine and a structure diagram and also one .h file which is open. So now if I restart the tool, just a couple of seconds to open the tool. Now you can see that all the modeling editors will be opened one by one. Yeah, so you can see. Yeah. So now all the diagram editors are restored back. So just one point to worth to mention here that we added this as a preference because it just adds a couple of minutes of startup time to tool because since these editors were not restored automatically, so we are restoring it. So that's why we made it as a preference. So it's up to the user if he want this restore to be enabled. So he has to enable the preference. Otherwise, if you uncheck, so then the default behavior as usual continues. And also one point to mention here that probably you have seen this. Unit.name h file. This header file was at the end, so now it came to the first because couple of like few editors Eclipse automatically restores, so we don't have control over that. So those will appear, those will be restored, and after that all the modeling editors will be restored back. So that's the main enhancements we did with respect to restore editors.